Does losing weight feel like an uphill battle? Are you frustrated by all the advice that demands hours of exercise you just can't fit into your busy life? What if I told you there's a way to lose weight, boost your energy, and feel amazing, all without breaking a sweat at the gym? It sounds too good to be true, but I promise you, it's real. In this video, I'll reveal a powerful, science-backed method to help you reach your weight loss goals effortlessly. Stay with me because the secret will change your life and your perspective on weight loss forever. Have you ever felt like you've tried everything? Low carb, low fat, calorie counting, and even those intense 30-day challenges, yet nothing seems to work. You're not alone. The problem isn't your lack of effort, it's the approach. Most weight loss plans set you up for failure by focusing only on calories and exercise. They don't address the real issue, how to reset your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms. Without this reset, it's like trying to drive a car with no fuel. It just doesn't work. Here's the good news. The method I'm about to share works with your body, not against it. No restrictive diets, no gym memberships, no stress. Intrigued? Keep watching, because the secret is coming up in just a moment. The secret to losing weight without exercise is intermittent fasting. But wait, before you think it's about starving yourself, let me explain. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat. It's about when you eat. By following simple fasting patterns, you allow your body to reset, burn fat naturally, and heal from the inside out. During the fasting period, your body switches to fat-burning mode, using stored fat as energy. And during the eating window, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals without obsessing over calories. This method is scientifically proven and has helped thousands of people transform their health and shed stubborn pounds. Best of all, it's flexible. You can adapt it to your lifestyle. Here's how it works. When you eat, your body stores energy in the form of glucose. But when you fast, your insulin levels drop and your body starts using stored fat for energy instead of glucose. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a natural process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates healthier ones. This not only helps with weight loss, but also improves overall health, including better digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy levels. You're not just losing weight, you're optimizing your body to function at its best. There are several ways to practice intermittent fasting, so you can choose one that suits your lifestyle. 16-8 fast. Fast for 16 hours. And eat during an 8-hour window. This is the most beginner-friendly method. The 16-8 method is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to start intermittent fasting because it aligns naturally with your daily routine, including the time you spend sleeping. How it works. The fasting window. 16 hours. This is the period when you don't eat. The good news? The hours you spend sleeping count as part of your fasting time. For example, let's say you finish your dinner at 7 p.m. After that, you stop eating and begin your fasting period. By the time you wake up, let's say around 7 a.m., you've already completed 12 hours of fasting without even trying. All that's left is to extend your fast by 4 more hours. Until 11 a.m., the eating window is 8 hours. At 11 a.m., you break your fast with your first meal of the day. From there, you have an 8-hour window to eat all your meals for the day. For instance, you could have your meals between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. The window allows plenty of time for lunch, a snack, and dinner. Why this method is so doable? You're already fasting while you sleep. You're simply extending that natural fasting period by a few hours in the morning. It's flexible. You can adjust the window to fit your schedule. For example, some people prefer a 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. eating window, while others might choose 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. No calorie counting. During your eating window, focus on eating whole, nutrient-rich foods, but there's no need to obsess over numbers. A sample day on the 16-8 method. 7 p.m. Finish dinner and begin fasting. 7 a.m. Wake up still fasting. Drink water, herbal tea, or black coffee to stay hydrated and curb hunger. 11 a.m. Break your fast with your first meal. 3 p.m. Enjoy a snack or second meal. 7 p.m., finish dinner and start your next fasting cycle. By following this method, you're giving your body ample time to burn fat and reset without feeling overly restricted. It's a simple yet powerful way to incorporate intermittent fasting into your life. Now let's talk about the 5-2 method fasting. This is when you eat normally for 5 days and limit calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. The third way to fast is alternate day fasting. You fast every other day. Start small, see what works for you, and adjust as needed. Intermittent fasting is about so much more than weight loss. Here are just a few of the amazing benefits. Mental clarity. Fasting helps your brain function better, giving you sharper focus and improved memory. Boosted energy. Many people report feeling more energetic during their fasting periods. Improved heart health. Fasting reduces inflammation and helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Longevity. Studies show that intermittent fasting may increase lifespan by reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Imagine feeling not just lighter but healthier and more vibrant than ever before. Getting started is simple. Here's what to do. Choose your fasting window. Start with a 12-hour fast and gradually extend it to 16 hours. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas or black coffee during your fasting period. Break your fast with nutrient-dense foods. Start your eating window with meals rich in protein, healthy fats and veggies. Track your progress. Keep a journal to document how you feel and the changes you notice. Remember, consistency is key. Your body will adapt quickly and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. Intermittent fasting is simple, but staying consistent can be a challenge. Here are my top tips. Ease into it. Don't go from eating all day to fasting for 16 hours. Gradually increase your fasting window. Find support. Join a fasting community or buddy up with a friend for motivation. Celebrate small wins. Every pound lost and every step toward better health is a victory. Stay positive. Focus on how amazing you'll feel, not just the weight you'll lose. If you've been searching for a way to lose weight and feel great without spending hours at the gym, intermittent fasting is the solution you've been looking for. It's natural, effective, and fits into any lifestyle. You're not just changing your body, you're changing your life. If this video inspired you to take control of your health, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more life-changing tips and tricks. Together we can unlock the healthiest, happiest version of you. See you in the next video.